because as scientists around the world continue to search for a COVID-19 vaccine, the World Health Organization has urged health professionals to ensure that the vaccine is available for everyone once it is approved. The African Union has its member countries actively involved in the process of developing the COVID-19 vaccine as efforts to eliminate the virus continues. But some citizens of DRC are not convinced with the ongoing vaccine trial, considering the implications it may cause. Details of that in this report.
There are nearly 150 COVID-19 vaccines being developed by scientists globally, according to the World Health Organization. Most of them are being developed in wealthy Western countries. South Africa is the first country on the continent to start clinical trials of the COVID-19 vaccine.
To us being able to assess over a very short period of time as to whether this vaccine does protect people against COVID-19, and if it does, it would have enormous implications, not just for South Africa, but for the African continent.
The vaccine is expected to be distributed to the public early next year once it's approved. The World Health Organization has called on health experts to ensure that the vaccines are accessible to all people.
Too often, African countries have ended up at the back of the queue for new technologies, including vaccines. These life-saving products must be made available to everyone, not only those who can afford to pay.
The ongoing COVID-19 vaccine trials have been greeted with suspicion by some Congolese who fear the potential harm the vaccines may cause.
Du fameux vaccin, c'est en Europe où il y a beaucoup de morts.
There are many people dying of the coronavirus in Europe and the US, but they want to test their vaccines here. That means we are going to be used as guinea pigs.
The African Union has emphasized the need for Africa to actively engage in the development of vaccines and also be at the forefront as the world seeks to overcome the COVID-19 pandemic. The search for a COVID-19 vaccine sparked controversy in the DRC earlier this year after two French doctors said the vaccines should be tested on poor Africans. Their statements whipped up anti-racist sentiments across the country. Scientists will have to engage in serious public campaigns to convince the masses that the vaccines are safe.